Hello friends, so welcome to a new video. This video is based on record breakers. So today we are going to discuss about record breakers. So our planet is full of incredible nature wonders. So some of which are millions years of old, like they're old for me, like they're very much old. From skyscraping of mountains to the underground caves. Here are the five of the Earth's record breaking land features. So let's start with our five highest, longest, driest, deepest, and tallest places in the natural wonders. So first we are going to discuss is about the highest. So basically Mount Everest in Nepal. So basically Mount Everest in Nepal. So Mount Everest in Nepal. The peak of now Mount Everest is something about 8,848 meters. So it is something about 29,029 feet. It's above the sea level. So basically this is the world's highest mountain. It is the 10 times taller than the world's tallest building. So it's 10 times higher, 10 times like taller, 10 times taller than world's tallest building. So you can imagine the thing how big it is. So next we will go for the longest. So longest is the river Nile. So longest is river Nile in Africa. Nile River, Africa. So it is the world's longest river. If somebody is thinking that Amazon is not the longest river. Longest river is Nile. Okay. So now the world's longest river is River Nile. It is about 6,825 kilometers, and if we go for miles, it is 4,238 miles. So it's in the length. So it flows through 11 African countries. 11 African countries. African countries. So 7 African countries from Burundi to Egypt. So you can imagine the length where it meets at the Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean Sea. Its end goal is Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean Sea. And the Nile takes its name from the Greek name called River Valley. River Valley. Next we will go to the driest place. So driest place is Atacama Desert in Chile. So or anything you can pronounce it well, because I'm pronouncing it as Chile. So or anything else if you want to. Atacama Desert. It's the driest desert. I'm not telling the hottest. Driest place in the whole world. Oh, in the whole earth actually. Earth is better. So first, covering 1000 kilometer means 600 mile. So it's cover 1000 kilometer or 600 miles. This South American desert is one of the driest places on the earth. So it's the one of the driest places in the earth. Some parts have not seen rainfall since record being least 400 years ago. So you can imagine the condition of this desert. It's some places even then see the rainfall for something about if we recorded so since 400 years ago. So you can imagine the condition of the place. No rainfall. Some places rainfall since 400 years recorded as. So it's for some places. Now we will go to the next, which is the tallest. I'm not telling highest, I'm telling tallest. So tallest. The tallest thing is Angel Falls. Angel Falls in Venezuela. So basically it's the spectacular Angel Fall is the world's tallest waterfall with a drop of 979 meters. It drops from 979 meters, or we can say as 3212 feet. So it is the more than the twice of the height of the New York Empire State. You can imagine that. Now first it's for like it was found by an American pilot Jimmy from air. So he founded it at something about he found this waterfall in 1933, in year 1933. Okay, now let's move to the deepest place. So deepest place here is Krubera cave. So Krubera cave in Georgia. So you might have heard about many places but in caves in the world, but this is the one cave which is the deepest one. The world's deepest cave lies in the Asia, stretching down from 2197 meters, means something like 7208 feet. So you can imagine that. Now it is nearly deep as the 7 Paris and Eiffel Towers. So if you keep 7 Eiffel Towers, then it will height till you can reach that particular cave. You can know the interesting fact about it. Now Russian called is the Voron, yeah, means crow's cave, after many crows nesting at the entrance. Actually it is named as this because it means actually crow cave, because at the entrance of this cave you will find many crow nesting there at the entrance. So do you know Mount Everest is the highest peak of the world? Can you give me a very good answer? Before Mount Everest was described, like what found. So which mountain was the highest? Yes, which mountain was the highest before Mount Everest? It's a simple answer I will give you, that Mount Everest only, because as Mount Everest is only the world's highest peak of the world. So how can any other mountain can be at the peak, highest peak, even though it was not described yet. All means like sorry, not introduced to word yet also. So that's what a funny thing and a logical thing about this question of mine. So hope you understand the video well. If you well understand it, so thank you. And of course thank you for watching my whole video. So please do like, subscribe and share. Comment me down which of the thing you like the most. Of course, if you like the thing very well, do give me a comment with a smiley, and of course a like button should be pressed if you liked it so much. So meet you in next video. Till then, bye. Thank you for watching.